head over to our contact page. Here, let's take a look at how to customize our contact form. First, click on the contact element, then click on Edit Form. Here you can change the form name and the email address where all the form submissions will be sent to. Under Fields, we can add new fields to our form, or we can remove existing fields. And we can also rearrange the order of these fields. Then under Button, we can change the button text, and we can change the text that will be shown once the form has been submitted. Now, when somebody goes to your website and sends you a message using this form, then you'll receive an email. The email will look something like this, where you can see your website, the name of the contact form, and all the information that was entered into the form. Now, when you want to reply to that person, all you have to do is click on Reply, and the email address they have entered will be automatically added to the recipient box for your email. Inside of your website builder, you can also go to the three dots, then go to Form Submissions, click on View List, and here you'll see a list of all of the form submissions you received.